scalp. That's what I do. I have a mask, a hair mask. You can do it at home. Leaves your hair so silky, I promise you. You need lipids in your hair. You need to hydrate your hair. We lose lipids while we get older. So this mask leaves your hair silky, silky, silky. See? Friends, I am back with another video. As I promised, I have a super recipe for the hair to make it nice and silky and soft, and you don't have to go and buy expensive conditioners. So but first I want to send greetings and hugs and what else, kisses and gratitude, most of all, for all the comments and the sweet compliments that you sent me on YouTube and Instagram. And so it takes about 3 ingredients for this recipe. So let's start. Okay, the first ingredient that we're going to use is water. Okay, so you take a cup of water and put it on the stove, and then you're going to take 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And you're going to be wondering, cornstarch, but let me explain you first what cornstarch does to your hair. First of all, cornstarch is an excellent exfoliator for your scalp and promotes circulation. And when you use it as a mask, it really helps your hair to be so soft and silky. I have tried about, I don't know, about 6 times, 7 times, and the last time I did it is after I color my hair. Wow, like never before. It left really silky, and it lasts like for a few days. And so also, because it's a great exfoliator for your scalp, you could use like a half teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and a whole lemon. Squeeze it, mix it together, and put it on your scalp to exfoliate and remove the extra sebum that promotes hair loss. That's another thing that cornstarch is good, that removes this extra sebum that is unnecessary on your scalp. Instead, it makes the hair follicle fragile, and then you start losing hair. And so okay, so the second ingredient, oh, I'm sorry. So once you put the cup of water, room temperature, mix the cornstarch, 3 tablespoons, and then turn the stove on, and medium boil. You have to keep stirring until it gets thick. So once it gets thick, put it aside, let it cool a little bit. When it's still warm, what you're going to do is put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. This is organic virgin coconut oil. So put 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil, and then you're gonna take half of a tablespoon of the ghee, which is the certified, excuse me, it is the clarified butter, and this is grass-fed. And so make sure you get a good quality one. This is by, let's see, He Art. I'll put the description in a video, so you could find it any brand of the ghee. Okay, so ghee is an excellent lipid, as well as coconut oil. As you know, the hair strand is composed of amino acids, keratin, and lipids. So we lose all those components, and so the lipids are very necessary to maintain the hair soft and young, rejuvenated. So this recipe is gonna rejuvenate your hair with all those lipids and the cornstarch, and you have to tell me how you like it. I love this recipe. Like I said, as we age, as we get more mature, we lose all those components, and when it comes to lipids, when it's decreasing, then the hair becomes brittle. It almost becomes in a texture of a bleach hair, and because you know those lipids are practically gone when we are very mature, and so you need to keep hydrating the hair with masks, oils, and moisturizing shampoos. Always buy a moisturizing shampoo. The label will say moisturizing shampoo, and so leave it for, I left it the last time I left it for 3 hours, but the recommendation is to leave it from 1 hour to 2 hours, and you put a plastic cup, and on top of it put like a towel, wrap your hair with the plastic, and then with a towel for extra heat. And so you're going to like it. I just love the recipe. And also cornstarch, you could use it as a dry shampoo. Instead of spending so much money in dry shampoos, you just take a cosmetic brush and put it on the scalp, you know, close to the scalp, and then brush it. So cornstarch does not leave any kind of residue or buildup. So that is proven that it won't leave any kind of residue. Going to another topic, my girls, I want to share this mist for your face, hydrating mist. This is formulated with seawater, which seawater gives so many minerals. It's a good source of minerals, and when you apply minerals on your skin, something that has minerals, it will maintain your skin firm, elastic. And so this is a really fine mist, and it will leave your skin very, very hydrated. And also I use as a, to set my makeup, and it's like a very thin veil. It's not heavy. I love this. I bought 3 of them because I like it so much. This is the company ALGENIST, so I wanted to share with you guys. You could find it Sephora sells it, and super hydrating, and I like it because it's so light. And so I apply it before my makeup and after, and so oh, I love it. It's just so beautiful because it's not heavy. Okay, my girls, so I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and thumbs up for the video. Touch the little bell for more notifications, because I'll be making more videos. And God bless you, my girls, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao, bye bye.